So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see on the title below, I will be doing a Beauty Works X MAE WAVER kit. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the box you get from them. So yeah, I'm actually really excited because I really love the way she done her hair on Instagram, and that's exactly why I bought it, and I love her as well. So yeah. So inside the box it comes with, show you, sorry about the noise. Oops. It comes with the hair clips and a brush. So yeah, and it's so nice and I really loved it already. So this is it, guys. I really love the color pink. It's so nice and I love the details as well. I don't know if you can see it properly because my camera is too bright. So yeah, it comes with the hair clips and a brush, and the reason why I love it already because it comes with this one and it's really cute, and apparently it helps. So yeah, but I will show you later on. So yeah, and it's so cute. I love it so much already. Hopefully I will like it. So I'm gonna plug this in now and we'll see if it turns out really good. So be right back. So this one is the power button and the minus and the plus sign. So the plus sign is to if you want to put it really right up to 220, and the minus button would be if you don't want it really warm. So yeah, but normally I put it really high because I want it like get it done so quickly. So but I will use what you call a heating spray to protect my lovely hair. So yeah, so that's it ready, guys. So we're gonna try it on now. I'm gonna use her brush. So according to MAE, you can do it two ways. So I will show you the first way. I will show you the difference. So yeah, this is the first way to do it. This, I don't know how to say it exactly, but it will look like this. So yeah. I can't take it. I wish I get away from here. Never back to this. So yeah, that's what it looks like using this face, or I don't know exactly, but using this side of the WAVER. So yeah, that's what it's look like. It looks nice actually. But the second way to do it is this side. So where you can see the thong, is that what you call it? But yeah, anyway, if you use this side. Okay, let's try. So yeah, can you see the difference? So I'm gonna do this one so you can actually see it properly. So yeah, so the first one, it will look like this. As you can see, it will look like that. And then the second one will look like this. So the difference is this one's just like if you want it like wavy, and this one is like really defined, wavy. So yeah, I think I would go for, let me see, I think I would go for this one because it looks so defined and it's so nice. So yeah, let's do all of my hair. What I love about this waver is very easy to use, very handy, and it's really good for everyday hairstyle because if you like to curl your hair, this is the perfect kit or the perfect waver you could ever have, because as you can see, it's very handy, very easy to use, and it doesn't take long to do it. So yeah. As you can see, it's really nice, really curl, really wavy, and I really loved it already. So as of now, I can only show you this one because my camera's battery low, so it will turn off soon. So I will finish my hair and I will show you later. So yeah. So hey guys, I'm back. So as you can see, my hair right now, it's so curly. I really love it so much. So I will show you the back of my hair. So yeah, it's really nice. It's really worth your money because like it's easy to use, very handy, and the time to do this, it only take me like 15 minutes at least. So yeah, it's really nice. I love it so much. So yeah. So for me, it's really worth the money, but you judge. So if you love this kind of hair as well as I am, then you should definitely buy it. So yeah, I love this so much. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. So by the way, this is my real hair, so no extension, no nothing. It's my real hair. So yeah, this hair clip, you can use this to, like, as you can see, like my baby hair. So if you want, like, can you see that one? You can use that to put it in place like that. So yeah. So if you guys want to know about this product, just go and watch MAE's vlog, because she can explain it further than I am, because I'm not a professional, I'm just a buyer. So yeah, so for me, definitely I would go for this one. So it's so cute. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it so much. And the hair clip pink, it's so nice. The only thing about it is there's no gloves to protect yourself. Like when you're doing it, sometimes you get burnt if you don't careful. So yeah, so I would rate it 1 to 10, maybe 9. It would be 10 if there's, again, if there is a gloves, but the looks, I would rate it definitely 10. So yeah. I don't know, I like using the whole hair clips because it looks nice. So yeah, just wait for maybe about couple hours or something. Not really hours, but like minutes. So yeah. And also, you can use the brush to brush your hair, but I don't want to brush it because I love what it is right now. So it's really nice, so all I have to do is just that. But honestly, I haven't actually tried it all days to see if it stays, but depends, because like some hairs, like any curling iron you've used, it will go back to normal. So but my hair never really go back to normal. If I curled it, it would last me like 3 days, honestly. So yeah, it's so cute. I really loved it so much. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and also to help me grow my YouTube channel. So yeah, thank you very much to those people who subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it so much, and I will try my best to make my video to make my video really good, I guess. So see you in my next video.